In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group online. By the end, you'll have a brand new group chat ready for your friends, family, or team, and you'll know exactly what each screen and button does. First, launch your Line app. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and sign into your account so you can access your chats and contacts. Once you're in, head to the Home tab. You'll usually find Home along the bottom of the screen. This is your starting point for managing contacts, groups, and more. In the top right corner of the home screen, tap the Add Friends icon. It looks like a person's silhouette with a little plus sign. This opens a small menu of ways to connect with people. From that menu, choose Create Group. That tells Line you want to start a new group chat rather than add a single friend. Next, you'll pick who you want in the group. You can scroll through your contact list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific people. When you see someone you want to include, tap the check circle next to their name. You'll notice it highlights to confirm they're selected. Take a moment to review your choices so the right people are added from the start. When you're happy with your selection, tap Next in the top right corner to continue. Now it's time to set up the group's profile details so everyone can recognize it at a glance. Start with the group name. Type a clear, descriptive title for your chat room, up to a maximum of 50 characters. Short, memorable names work best, especially if you're juggling multiple chats. Avoid anything confusing so members can spot it easily in their chat list. Then, set the group icon. Tap the camera circle to upload an image from your photo album or take a new picture on the spot. Choose something simple and recognizable like a logo, a team photo, or a clear graphic. Make sure it looks good as a small thumbnail since that's how most people will see it. When everything looks right, tap Create in the top right corner. Line will open your new chat room immediately, and you're ready to start messaging. You can send a welcome note to set the tone, share any ground rules, or drop a quick first post so members know they're in the right place. That's it. You launched the app, picked Create Group from the Add Friends menu, selected members, named the group, added an icon, and created your new space. Thanks for watching, and enjoy chatting in your new Line group.